Hi, Mega G.I. Joe. Welcome to the show. Today we're in Iceland. We're going to be interviewing Brianne Peters. She's a whacker, popper, and freestyle dancer. And of course, she's a student of Buddha Stretch, Mob Tops. I'm excited to see what she's going to bring, so let's go check it out. Brianne Peters. Good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
What up, Agnes?
Hey.
Good to see you guys.
You too.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So let's jump right into it. We're in Iceland.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about what the hip hop scene is here and kind of like give us a little background of how you started.
Well, I started going to the scene here with all the DJs and the artists. We have like a rap scene that's been going on for a decade or two, and that's where I got my findings in hip hop, really. I have been listening to it for all my life. And then I went to New York in 2006, met Buddha Stretch, Link.
Second time.
Mob Tops.
Boom. Beautiful.
And yeah, they're my mentors, and I've been learning from Tweety, I've been learning from everybody in New York. I go there every year for every summer since 2006. Yeah, that's a lot of years. So I'm always broke, but always happy.
Yeah, that's awesome. So the way that I was able to connect with you was through this young woman.
Yes.
She reached out to me. She said, "Yo, you got to connect with Brianne. She is connected to Buddha Stretch."
Yes, sir.
Which, you know, that kind of like when I hear that, you know, because that's one of the OGs. Salute to them again.
Yes.
Tell me about your connection to her. Like, what is it that you take away from her being a mentor and showing you the way?
I met her in 2009. And we just kind of clicked ever since. I've been with her 2 times to New York to study, and we do everything together.
That's awesome.
Yeah, she's like a sister to me. Yes.
That's great. So a family bond is built
Yep.
through hip hop.
Yes.
That's the foundation.
That's the culture. It
That's the
has to be a
culture.
community. There has to be a gathering of people. There has to be love. There has to be knowledge for the culture, and we have to just do stuff together.
You know, it's hard when you're doing it all yourself.
Yeah.
And I see you fundraising. I see you selling T-shirts. You're
For my
doing
kids,
anything
yeah.
that you can do to help the kids, which
Yeah.
I love. I appreciate that. Tell us a little bit about those obstacles that you faced.
Well, when I started teaching here in Iceland, there was no hip hop, there was no dance hall, there was no whacking, there was no knowledge of the street dance scene whatsoever. So I had to prove what it was and what it really is and how it's supposed to be taught. And that took a lot of years to like legitimize and get that into the consciousness of the dancers that were already here. And since that kind of worked and that kind of happened, and the understanding of the students became more, and they actually understood that there's a culture behind it, there's a lot of knowledge that you have to get for yourself, then the community started growing, and we started to get these amazing kids that they love what they do. And what you saw at the square is largely they choreographed it all themselves.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's like they have the understanding, they have the foundation, and they are now just blossoming and going their own ways.
So the underlying theme is community, and I love the empowering of not only the youth but also women. You know, I have a daughter, and I want to be able to show her the way to be empowered and to have, you know, independence. And I love and respect you for being part of our community and holding it down. So salute to you, and salute to all women that are doing their thing. B-girls, DJs, MCs, graffiti writers, we salute you.
Yes.
So ladies, representing Iceland, are you guys ready for the Freestyle Friday?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's go do it. We're getting busy. Freestyle Fridays. Let's go.
I wanna say what's on my motherfucking conscious. The whole world right now is fucking bonkers. The internet is the brand new conqueror, so watch out for the motherfucking monsters. Yikes. The trolls are the taunters. Whoever controls the data got the answers. They the one that got the code to the launcher, and they be having dinner with the Pope and the mobsters. They know the cure for the cancer, cure for the AIDS, and they probably kill the Panthers. Put us in the cage, got us living like hamsters. Put us in the dark, but I got me a lantern. Open up my third eye, then I illuminate. Really got a bird eye view, wanna elevate. No Illuminati, baby, I'm God body. The rapture like Blondie, waking up zombies.
Wake up, sound the alarm. Revolution time has come. Wake up, sound the alarm. Tell the people here come the storm. Wake up, sound the alarm. Revolution time has come. Wake up, sound the alarm. Ring the alarm, ring 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 the alarm.
said knowledge is king. Know thyself and you can do anything. Know thyself and you can shine like bling. Know thyself and you the king of the ring, huh? But they don't teach kids nothing. All they know is iPad, sugar, and they muffin. They don't know division, won't add to nothing. Send them off to prison when you know they did nothing.
He in the streets cause he always cutting. The teacher ain't teaching him nothing. All they do is stuffing him and stuffing him. Stuffing him and stuffing him and stuffing him. Stuffing him and stuffing him and stuffing him.
Stuffing him with stuff he can't use. So he sell crack, that's what he know to do.
His daddy was a hustler, so he hustled too. And that's why you see the little killer in the news.
It's kinda like they got us in the trap. It's kinda like they knowing how we act. I'll be like, fucking laboratory, I am not a rat. I am light, I am God, body wise is the fact. Wake up!
Wake up, sound the alarm. Revolution time has come. Wake up, sound the alarm. Tell the people here come the storm. Wake up, sound the alarm. Revolution time has come. Wake up, sound the alarm. Ring the alarm, ring 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 the alarm. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Get jazzy on that flight that you get on.
Funny. I swear that's how we do it.
Body comfortable. 'Cause I know what the girl need. New York to Haiti.
I wanna rock right now.